So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason you have a bunch of screen burn-in on your particular iPhone like I do right here, and you might be trying to find a way to basically fix it. Now, the only way to go and fix the screen burn-in that you may have on your particular iPhone, you can see for me I have this like whatever thing, burnt it at the bottom. Even at the top you can see I have a lot of stuff burnt in. The only way that I could ever fix this is by replacing this particular display. Now, it is annoying, but that's realistically speaking the main way to fix this. Now, there's cheap ways to replace a display, but for the average person, what I recommend doing is literally typing in iPhone screen repair for their Apple website and find this particular website and see how much it will cost to go ahead and basically replace your display. Now, it can cost, $100 all the way up to multiple hundreds of dollars. So, for example, on my iPhone 10, if I were to go and get an estimate of this, you can see it would cost $279 if I didn't have Apple Care Plus. But if you have Apple Care Plus, I would recommend just replacing your display. You can see that screen burn-in is a very, very annoying issue, and there's not a software update that can fix it. So you can see right here, I have this up here. There's not really a way to fix it. There's been ways that you can kind of go around it, which is by, enabling dark mode. So if you don't want to do that, you can just go and replace the display. But if you go and actually see the difference between, the light mode and dark mode is actually pretty crazy. When I enable dark mode, you can barely see any screen burn-in. So you can see right here, it's like almost like a brand new thing. Like it doesn't even look like it has any screen burn-in at all. And the reason for that is because this one does have, the screen burn-in. When you put on the dark mode, it turns off those pixels. So you can see right here, all that screen burn-in that I had before is completely turned off, and it looks so much more usable. It's a way better display than it would be before. So that's a kind of a workaround. But if you want to really completely fix it, you're going to have to go and replace the display. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.